Getting an internship is important during the college, but how? So let's figure out in this video. I am Aryan Jaguste and I am building Robotry, where I teach robotics in an easy way and also in affordable cost. So if you are interested, you can get the links in the description. So moving forward with today's video, how to get an internship, or else what is the best possible way to get an internship. In order to get an internship, you have to work on yourself. Okay, that is important. First of all, decide where you want to go. Okay, if you are into some college, what is your domain? Why you want to pursue that particular domain? I will give you an example. Let's say you want to do an internship in the robotics field, but robotics field is vast. So how to do an internship into the robotics field? You have to first of all fix, are you interested into the software side, the design side, or else the hardware side? Likewise, you have to work on your skills, like build some projects related to the hardware stuff, then design. And likewise, you will find out where you are interested. And after that, you will have some projects around it. Multiple projects you will build around the particular thing that you are interested. So after that, just showcase those projects. Okay. Now you will ask where we have to showcase these projects. Showcase on LinkedIn. That's the best platform that you can get. So showcasing on LinkedIn is really important because that expands your network and might be some recruiter can reach out to you. So make sure that you are also sharing your work on online platforms. And then what you have to do, just go for the openings. Where are the companies? Make a list of 100 companies or else make a proper list and accordingly try to reach out to the companies. Not only make a list, but try to reach out to the companies, get their email IDs and some kind of LinkedIn profiles as well, where you can reach out to the company. And then after reaching out to the company, let's say you can do LinkedIn DMs, you can email them, you can send resumes if the internship roles are open. So likewise, you have to reach out to the companies because in order to get an internship, either you have to reach out to the company or else the company is going to reach out to you. Both the ways are possible. Okay. But the company will reach out to you only in the case where your skill is exceptional or the company is going to get some benefits out of you. That might be the case or else may not be the case. So these are the things you have to do in order to apply for the internship. And the internship can be both paid and unpaid. That depends on the projects of the company, but you will get the experience. That is important and that matters a lot. Okay, if you want to stick to the technical part or else any non-technical field where you want to go for the job side. So that was for the internship part. And also, please make sure that you subscribe to this particular channel because a lot of updates are being shared for the students and for the robotics side, for the AI side as well. So make sure that you subscribe to this particular channel as well. So this was for the internship part. Hope you got it. And also make sure that you apply for the internships wherever you see the application is open and you are satisfying the role. Okay, make sure that you are also satisfying the internship role. Okay, read the description. You can also reach out to the like founders or as the co-founders directly on LinkedIn. And likewise, you can get an internship. The only way is keep trying out, but keep trying out in the optimal way. Okay, don't just waste your time by simply sending an email, simply just sending the DM. But you have to first of all create your profile and then apply for the internship. I hope you got something from this video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together. Bye.